equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV14 from the charger to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the handle of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. There are typically 3 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the handle casing. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to the trigger mechanism. If you notice any dirt or debris inside, now is a good time to clean the internal components with a soft brush or a cloth. This will help maintain the performance of your vacuum. Now, focus on the trigger mechanism. You will see the trigger is held in place by a small clip. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry the clip away from the trigger. Once the clip is removed, you can take out the old trigger. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have it done professionally without any hassle. Take your new trigger and align it with the mechanism. Push it into place until you hear a click, indicating it is secured. Reattach the clip to hold the trigger firmly. Now, it's time to reassemble the handle. Align the 2 halves of the casing and press them together gently. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight to avoid damaging the plastic. After reassembling, it's essential to test the trigger. Plug your Dyson SV14 back in and turn it on. Check that the trigger functions smoothly and that there are no unusual sounds. If everything seems in order, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the trigger. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Plus, with no calls and no travel, we make it easy for you to get your vacuum back in working order. Finally, ensure to clean the exterior of your vacuum with a damp cloth to keep it looking new. Regular maintenance will prolong the life of your Dyson SV14. Thank you for following this guide, and happy cleaning. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.